In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video to card.co. If you've ever tried to drop a YouTube clip onto your card site and it didn't show up, the most common reason is the plan you're on. Embedding videos requires Card Pro with the Embed feature enabled. From your card dashboard, click the Pro button and choose the plan that includes embeds. On the free plan, you can link to a video, but you won't be able to display it directly on the page. Once you've confirmed you're on the right plan, start by grabbing the YouTube embed code. Open the YouTube video you want to feature. Under the video, click Share, then choose Embed. YouTube will display the embed preview along with a block of iframe embed code. That's the code card needs. If YouTube offers options like showing player controls or choosing a start time, set those here so they're included in the code automatically. When it looks good, copy the entire iframe embed code to your clipboard. Avoid copying just the video link or the short URL. Card's embed element expects the full iframe code. Now switch to card and open the site where you want the video. In the editor, add an embed element, then paste the iframe embed code into the code box. You should see a placeholder in the editor. If it doesn't fully render inside the builder, that's normal. Use the preview button to make sure it displays and plays correctly on the live page. Position the embed element where you want it in your layout, and if your theme uses containers or columns, drop it into the right section so it aligns with your design. If the video looks too large or too small, adjust the width settings in the embed element or use your layout's sizing controls. Most YouTube iframes are responsive by default, but previewing on mobile and desktop is a good habit to ensure it scales nicely. If the embed fails to load or gives you an error, double check that you're on a pro plan with embeds enabled and that you pasted the complete iframe code from YouTube. When everything looks right, click Publish, choose your publishing options, confirm, and let Card push your changes live. Then visit your live site to do a final check. Press play, confirm audio and controls work, and make sure the video fits your page design. That's it. With the correct plan, the YouTube embed code, and a quick paste into Card's embed element, your video will be live and ready for viewers.